Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms. I've got our Ford 8N here, and this one doesn't get used a whole lot. I've been gone for work out of state for about a month, and it was kind of a last minute thing. So normally when this is in the barn, it got left out here in the field while I was gone. I was cleaning out the barn and really didn't have space to get it back in, and it was kind of a last minute. So I'm out here getting ready to work with it and get it back up and going, and the battery was a little low, so I was going to talk a little bit about what I keep around the farm. It's a couple products. If you watch the videos, you know I love tools, love little gadgets, and these are a couple things that I found that work amazing around the farm. First one, and this one I've been using for about 2-3 years, it's a DBPOWER jump starter. Now, they have these little power packs and jump starters you can buy at the store. They're pretty good sized, and they're pretty much, I've had them, they're junk. Every time you go to use them, it's like they don't hardly have any charge at all. And I ran across this. I'm an aircraft mechanic for the Navy, and when I was working down in New Orleans, I was helping the fuelers running some loads, and they had these. And these things were great. You charge them up once, and like an 18-wheeler, like a big, I don't know, V8, V12, whatever, you know, those Big Mac trucks have. One of these will jump start it 35 times on one charge. They are amazing, and they're small, they're compact. We call it the brick, and yeah, I've been using that for a while. And then just recently, I ran across this one too, and this has worked out pretty good as well. I've got Ryobi 1+ tools, and I've got a bunch of extra batteries, and this was just a little thing. I found this on Temu. I think I've seen these on Amazon as well, but it's just 3D printed setup where it's a jump starter. It pops on your battery, and then you just got your alligator clips to start it out, or to start it up. And these have been great. I've used it a couple of times so far, and it fires them right up. It holds enough charge to get them going if they've been sitting for a little while, and you kind of got to get, you know, gas in there and primed. So just wanted to share this. These are products I found that do work for us, and they work amazingly, and I highly recommend them. In fact, I'll put a link to these in the notes and at the bottom of the video. Can't think what you call it offhand. The comment section. I'll put a link to these in the comment section as well. But again, these are very, very highly recommended. It's Matt from McGee Farms. If you enjoy the videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. It's much appreciated, and it helps the channel grow. Till next time, have a great day.